got a special beer. I'm going to review a beer made here in Holland on a micro brewery, one of those, and I think it's gonna be nice because this is an epic beer. It's really an epic beer. It turns out that this beer is not a normal beer, like I just said, but it's instead pepper beer. Well, here it is. This is pepper spray. What it says here, it's a pepper spray. It's a porter, I think, 8.6 alcohol per volume, and I think it's a spicy beer. Because it's a spicy beer, I have well, I hope I'm not gonna need it, but if I will, yeah, I have here a glass of water. So let's try this. Shall we open? Yeah. Okay. Let's put it in, drop it. Whoa, looks like coffee. Hey. It's a strong beer. This here is a porter. That's why it's so dark. Yeah, it's from a brewery from Haarlem. Yeah. Whew, look at this. Okay, look at this. 2 fingers. Yeah, there's a lot of it. Now it's going away. Let me just take a smell. Wow, so much coffee on here. Ah, it smells like coffee. Yeah, this is a real porter. 8.6 alcohol by volume. Ah, so much coffee in here. It's so black. Look at this. It's so black. Nice. Well, let's try it. Oops. Oh. Oh, this is spicy, yeah. Look at this. Oh, pepper spray. Oh, this is really spicy. Oh, never seen nothing like this. No, it's a different beer. Really. It really is. It's a different beer, yes. Oh. Yeah, good idea. I'm going to try this a little bit. Oh, this is spicy, yes. This is really spicy. Yeah, funny. I don't know how they do this because it says on the ingredients. Oh, it says on the ingredients that there's nothing special. Oh, and it says barley. This is a kind of a barley wine. Yeah, it's porter, barley wine. Pepper spray. Pepper spray porter. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, yes. Carolina Reaper. Where do they get these names? Oh, sorry. This is heavy stuff. I mean, not heavy, not really heavy, 8.6, not really heavy, but it's spicy. It's really spicy. Oh. Well, okay. Well, this was the beer for today. Spicy beer. This is really spicy beer, and yeah, let's see what's next. Let's see the next beer. Yeah. Okay. See you next time. Bye.
She's my Maryland, and I'm her Jordan Maggio. She is my queen.